Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really special for you because I want to show you an amazing present that I got from a friend. I actually got this years ago and it was the opportunity to use a 3D designing program to design a Beyblade and print it with an online printing service. The problem was I wasn't really experienced with 3D modeling, and I still not really. So we were not able to print it because it was faulty. The whole model was not really usable. And we put this off for quite a while. And a few weeks ago I found the old file on a hard drive, and we were actually able to print it, kind of. And here is the finished result. So you can see that the model is definitely not finished, so it didn't really know which parts were hollow and which were filled. So I ran another program over it to kind of complete the whole model. And it turned out really good. I want to show you what is the final product. So here it is. The design obviously is based on Pokémon. This is Arcanine. You can see the hats over here. Then I had kind of a wing on the side that goes down a little bit. Here's the tail of Arcanine, and I put on a Pokeball sticker and a little bit of font. And I think it looks really cool. All the things, the bit chip holders, the little prongs that attach to the spin gear, it works really good. I will show you real quick. I have a Warburg 3 base without the rubber. This is just the metal part, a red 8 wide and a magna gear, and you can just put it on and it fits perfectly. So this is really amazing. It's so cool to have your own printed Beyblade. Super excited about that. So I want to show you this Bey in battle. And I will just do a quick test battle against this kind of beaten up Master Seal. So let's see how the new Beyblade will do. So you can see it's a pretty cool attack type actually. It has quite a bit of smash attack and it works really well. So I really like that. I may do some future battles, so stay tuned for that. And that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.